Hi guys, we're going to look at our premium Jockey box. This is made in a Domatic or Waco 33 litre cooler, so it's going to keep your ice in there for up to a week. So inside the cool box we have the stainless steel drip tray. We have our mini regulator, which has two outlets made out of stainless steel. These just clip on to the gas posts of our little kegs, like so. This can take 16 gram CO2 cartridges, or we can use it with a SodaStream gas bottle. Now these liquid hoses are connected with what we call push fitting, which means that you can just take out the hose. So just need to take the hose out of these two fittings, feed it down through the lid of the Jockey box. Once we've pushed the hose down inside the cool box, we simply line up the font with the pre-drilled holes, put the supplied screws in and drop this ring down to hold it in place. We then take the taps, place them in here and tighten this to hold them in place. It's as easy as that to assemble. Once we've pushed the hose through the lid of our Jockey box, we need to reattach the liquid connection. So these are push fittings. We simply take the end of the hose, push it back into the connection. That's now sealed and tight. To connect to our liquid post, which is the upright one, we pull back the ring like a garden fitting and push it onto the post like that. If we wanted to use this system for Nitro Coffee, for example, we'd take the spout off our tap, which is just a straight hole through it, and replace it with a stout spout which has 5 small holes. These force the liquid through the small holes, frothing it up. We also need to replace the gas inlet post on our keg with these inlets, which allow us to pierce a gas bottle and inject nitrogen straight into the keg. So we simply replace the post on the keg with this, and then put a gas bulb inside the handle and screw it on, and that will pierce and inject all of the nitrogen into the keg, allowing us to pour coffee through our fine holes with high pressure, the kind of pressure you're not able to get with a regulator.